owner of Talap Restaurant here in Marikina only. So,
Okay, can we ask Miss Chica Sacaron what made her decide to get the J-Hoodie J6? Please, Pam.
Kasi I saw it, I was smitten, actually. I saw it sa kalye. So sabi ko, I'm like, ano yun, ang ganda. So, ginugol ko agad. And fortunately, nag-reply sila agad. So immediately, I went to the showroom. And I find it very reasonable with all the features of the vehicle. And you know, I was really attracted to it. So right then and then, I said to myself, I wanted it so bad.
Wow.
So, and thank you so much.
always welcome, ma'am. So sa mga promoting din na, part of promoting na rin kung nagtatanong ko masarap sa restaurant nila Ma'am Jeans. Well, sa pangalan pa lang, talap na lang. Ayun. And, ayun. Take note, 3 times din nila test curve and doon sa pinaka-last na test curve namin, they're very convinced doon sa speed power performance ng ating J-Hoodie J6. And now, kita niyo naman hawak na nila and i-release na natin. Thank you so much.
That's great. Congratulations everyone across. Congratulations Miss Jinky and for the rest of your family. And may we invite Sir Bernard and Sir Marco together with them to have a right? Congratulations, that's great!